Hello everyone, today I come to you with news from the trenches of SolidStart development. As a move that can only be described as an anomaly of innovations, we got some support and funding from our friends at Anomaly Innovations, and it's been terrific to work with them. As part of this move, I am now part of the SolidJS core team. Another thing is that this support allows us to have not one, but 3 new fellowships, and with that, we're going global. We have Katja working from Switzerland into making our code neutral throughout the framework wars. We have Brendan working upside down there in Australia, and we have Brandley from Canada ready to apologize if things go wrong. On a more serious note, Brendan and Katja are going deep down into the DeVinxi effort, and Brandley and I are going to keep things afloat at the current release branch. With that, we also have a strategy to make the release as smooth as possible for you folks. It is not without a breaking change that this is going to happen. So we prepared a 3-step plan where the first release is going to be an alpha release where we're going to reach feature parity with the current 1.x release channel. Then on beta is where we're going to work on bringing support to Solid 2.0. Yes, Solid 2.0. And the third step where things go stable is because we believe we have tested enough edge cases and you can take it to production. And as Michael Scott says,
and you can take that to the bank.
But of course, our roadmap is not only about this maintenance work and refactoring architecture. We're also going to bring a few new features. And part of that, there's a few follow-ups that we're thinking about to level up the developer experience there. So we heard your feedback about middleware. We heard a tons of feedback about the server functions. And that's where we're going to double down. Once the DeVinxi branch is moved on, we also have our eyes on the next part. So Dev is ready to take solid sockets to prod, and with that we want to leverage that work into making SolidStart a real-time friendly framework, even more so than it already is. If you're on the writing version of that, there is the announcement on a GitHub discussions, and you can always jump to the SolidJS Discord at the SolidStart channel and let us know what you're thinking.